Hello, my name is Jan, and today we're going to talk about options in DraftSight. Of course, you can go to the top of your screen and select Options, which will open the dialog where all of the options located. And we have a lot of them: file location, system options, user interface, drafting styles, and on top of it, even they have additional sections that you can go and control a lot of aspects of your files, your system files, your system funds, and so on. It's a lot to remember for the user. So what I like to do is do it a little differently. I don't like going to the top of the screen to get to the options. In the command line, I can right click and say Options, which will open up the options dialog. Let's close that and do another way. Let's say I want to get to options, but drafting. So if I do that, it automatically open options and open the drafting options for me to navigate through and control different entities of my settings. But I am gonna let you on a big secret. I'm kind of lazy, so I don't like to remember anything. That's why I love using Find. Let's say I need to control the crosshair. I like to have it big. Some people like to have it small. So if you type cross, display cursor at cross, and opens up an appropriate section where you can find display cursor. And right now it's set to 15. Let's change that to 30. Say apply and OK. And now you'll see this crosshair is very big. Again, some people like it small, some people like it to go across entire screen. Personally, some people, like me, like it to have it a little differently. So I'll go back and again, I don't remember where it was, so I'm just going to type cross, and then basically it will find very quickly where it is, and this is where you can control this. So I'm going to revert back to 15. That's the size that I am comfortable with using. So we'll close that and it revert back. Now the color of that cursor can be controlled, and many other things can be done within options. So again, open options, and let's say we want to control something else like drawing, active drawing units, default templates, boundaries, categories, anything to do with drawings. So if I click on boundaries, it opens on a behavior and give me all the subsets that I can control that. Now display gives me a different set of options that I can control with, but the important part is use the find command to find what you need if you don't remember where it's located. It will save you lots of time and aggravation looking through a lot of options, because it's good to have a lot of options, but navigating and finding them should be easy, and Find makes this very easy. My favorite one, controlling the crosshairs.